Cucumbers are one of the most refreshing and versatile vegetables you can find. They're a great addition to any meal or snack, and they're packed with health benefits. In this video, we're going to explore the many benefits of cucumbers. First and foremost, cucumbers are a low-calorie, high-fiber food. This makes them an excellent choice for anyone who is trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Cucumbers are also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. Another benefit of cucumbers is that they are a great source of hydration. Cucumbers are made up of 96% water, making them an ideal snack for hot summer days or after a workout. Cucumbers can also be used to make infused water, which is a delicious and refreshing way to stay hydrated. Simply add sliced cucumbers to a pitcher of water and let it sit for a few hours to infuse the water with flavor. In addition to their nutritional benefits, cucumbers also have several beauty benefits. Cucumber slices can be placed on the eyes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. And cucumber juice can be used as a natural toner to soothe and hydrate the skin. Finally, cucumbers are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. They can be sliced and added to salads, pickled for a tangy snack, or blended into a refreshing smoothie. So, whether you're looking to lose weight, stay hydrated, or boost your overall health, cucumbers are a great choice. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up some cucumbers and enjoy all the delicious and nutritious benefits they have to offer.